0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Well, hi guys, it's Sunday. Doing a little exercise.
Oh, that's real good.
Gonna go to church today, and when we come back, we're going right to the kitchen. Yes, that's right. We're gonna make some nice Sunday comfort food. I'm gonna try something a little bit healthy. You know how I'm always making yellow rice and chicken? Well, this time I'm gonna try to do something healthy and do brown rice and chicken. And yes, I'm gonna try it in the Pallea pan. We'll see how that comes out. It's gonna be fun. See you in a little while.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Well, Alice, if this works, you and I are going to be able to enjoy a nice, healthy brown rice paella. Brown rice and chicken in the Pallea pan. Let's see how that turns out. I'm going to have some fun. This is Danny from DosojoWorld. Guys, don't forget, if you like what you see, give me that thumbs up. Also, share the video. Put it on Facebook, Instagram. Send it out there. It's fun. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Talk to you soon. Here's what I expect to do. The exact same thing that I do with my yellow rice and chicken. The only difference is we're gonna soak the rice because it's brown rice. Help it get a little bit soft. That way when we put it in the oven, it'll cook down and it should not take as long. It is an experiment. Let's see how it happens. Same ingredients. I got my onions, my garlic, some peppers, some olive oil, tomato sauce. Let's see how it comes out.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
That's real good.
Yeah, the wings you see in the background, that's just an appetizer while I'm cooking.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Rice has been soaking about an hour. It looks like it's plumping up a little bit. This may work. We've added the garlic, we've added some seasoning. Still cooking down those onions and peppers.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me?
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Okay, we got the ingredients in there. Just gonna let that come to a simmer. Then I'm gonna add the chicken. Remember, it's already fully cooked chicken out of a bag, it's frozen. Then we'll pop it in the oven. We'll add some water and cook it until the rice gets tender. Let's see if it works.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Okay, we nestled those chickens in there. All it is chicken breast. Gonna fill up the pan with water. Pop it in the oven. Let's see how it comes out.
Oh, that's real good.
Just tried the rice. We're still on 400. The water's starting to evaporate. It's getting tender. I think it's working. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Give it a little bit more time. There you have it. A brown rice chicken paella. I'm gonna just cover it up. Let it rest. See how it tastes.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Okay, the rice is resting. I got it all covered up so it can continue to steam. Chicken pot pie is done. You can see it in the background over there. Alice, if this works, the next experiment is in the cast iron skillet. Brown rice and chicken, paella. This is Danny from DosojoWorld.
To get a hold of yourself.
Come and check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Beautiful, nice and tender. You can't even tell the difference. You don't know if it's yellow rice or brown rice. It's delicious.
Stopping me.